What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Ladies fam, I'm back with another video for you guys. Milady meme coin. Hey, I know, we got some down days. We are in the red, but a lot of things are potentially gonna happen, man. You guys see that Elon updated Twitter to X? And in Elon's bio, he has Doge in his bio next to the X symbol, right? We know that meme coins always pump together, right? When when Doge gets bullish, I think Ladies is gonna get bullish with Dogecoin. Meme coins always run together. When Pepe came out, that's when Ladies had a huge explosion, and there were a ton of other meme coins like Mong, Turbo, Pepe 2, a lot of other meme coins that absolutely started to go parabolic when Pepe was going parabolic, right? So meme coins typically run at the same time. So I think we're heating up for the meme coin lane, and Dogecoin looks like it's ready to break out. So I'm expecting meme coins to follow. Strong meme coins though that have a very base community. Listed on tier 1 exchanges, and have awareness, right? Have a lot of awareness. So, and excuse me guys, and also has a narrative going for it, right? Remember, with the Milady meme coin, it has a narrative. That's why I'm bullish on it, because of the Ladies and Milady NFT, right? And the tie-in with the Milady NFT. So I think with Milady NFT being successful, so will Ladies, the Milady meme coin, right? So it has a lot of things going for it. So that's why I'm like, okay, this could be a great meme coin to have, and that's why I'm still covering it on the channel. I'm still bullish on it, guys. So Milady meme coin holders, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like the video, share the video, spread it around, guys. Keep supporting, blow this video up. Now, like I said, if you just got $300 invested, that'll get you 10 billion Ladies Milady meme coin. That's 10 billion. If you could get around that 10 billion, I think that's a nice bag to have, man, because this is like buying shiba, in 2020, right? 2020, then 2021 shiba exploded. This is like buying shiba in 2020, and we saw what shiba did, right? And a ton of other meme coins. So it didn't even take that much of an investment to get crazy gains in shiba, right? So I think just 10 billion Miladies is a nice bag to have, guys. That's a very nice bag to have. Lady sitting at $20.3 million in market cap, $4.2 million in 24-hour trade volume, and the volume is up 25%. That's super nice stuff, man. That's very nice. You go through the top memes, right? Ladies is still in the top memes. Ladies still in the top memes, right? They got a couple memes that are gonna pop up and get in the top memes, but eventually I think they're gonna fade away. Eventually, right? They're gonna fade off, and then Ladies is gonna go right back up into the top 10. So yeah, guys, keep an eye on that. We take a look. Ladies big shakeout, crypto 420, crypto runner 01 soon, guys. Get your bags ready. I'm loading up. They got people that are buying these dips, man. Crypto Crypt, Top G's Ladies fan, but he will invest into Ladies soon. Crypto Casino, I'm bullish on Ladies. Alex 47, Ladies, this is a sleeper. And UDI 78, I'm bullish on Ladies, right? So we can see right here, we're coming down, man. We're retracing back down, pretty much following the Bitcoin chart, especially on the daily. You can see it's like bar for bar with the Bitcoin chart, man. Yeah, so Bitcoin is bearish, kind of bearish right now. Eventually we're gonna flip bullish again, and that's when you'll see Ladies start to go back up with Bitcoin and the rest of the market be more bullish. Bitcoin is coming down right now, guys, which is you can't be up only forever, so we're having a bit of a correction. A lot of people have made a lot of tweets recently about the bears, taking control once again, but I think that's just gonna be for just a short-term correction, and then eventually we're gonna find support. We're gonna bounce from the support for Bitcoin, and a lot of other altcoins will follow when we start to. I'm still targeting for Bitcoin 34k to 36k. So this is the time when you DCA in the projects, man. Altcoins took a huge hit, not just Milady's, right? So because Milady's is peered to Ethereum, so when Ethereum comes down, so will Milady's, right? So altcoins took a bit of a hit, not a huge hit, but a bit of a hit. So a lot of them came down. A lot of them are, you know, it's red right now, right? It's Monday. A lot of things are red, but let's see what happens throughout the rest of the week, how the rest of the week is looking. But yeah, ladies pretty much following Bitcoin and, you know, Ethereum obviously. And I think when we start to flip bullish once again, when Bitcoin, Ethereum starts to flip bullish, that's when you're gonna see ladies start to bounce from here. So if you have your bag, you know, you're diamond handed. If you have your bag, just hold, right? No, not financial advice. You got your bag, just hold. We are in a consolidation phase, and if you didn't have your bag, now you're getting so much more better entries. 5% down, 5.5% down. A lot, like I said, I know people are gonna be kind of like scared and shaken out. They had a few altcoins that I was in. They had a few altcoins that I'm in that started to retrace, but that doesn't really matter to me because this is just short-term price action. I'm thinking long-term, right? Bitcoin came down, a lot of things like retraced, a lot of altcoins retraced, not just ladies, a lot of them did. So I just think, just like someone said in the community replies here, that it's a shakeout, right? Gonna retrace, we're gonna retrace, find support, then eventually we're gonna start to move back up once again, guys. So don't miss these opportunities to DCA, in my opinion, right? Not financial advice. So yeah, still super bullish on ladies. 65.8k followers on Twitter. Witness the allure of ladies as she graces the crypto throne, commanding hearts and fortunes alike. Elon Musk renaming Twitter the X, and ladies tweeting about it. Rise with determination, shine with confidence, and conquer the markets with ladies. We got people from all different walks of life scooping up a bag of ladies, guys. You can see Crypto AL shilling ladies to people. We got people from all different Renegon, 44 Renegon, talking about ladies. It's time to collect ladies. XRP Sheeb. Will you ask me about the current levels? I will tell you to contact privately. I will give you the levels you can collect in each. So right here, man, how much followers has he got? 853 followers, man. People from all different walks of life. I'm not sure what this language is. I think it's Arabic. I'm not sure. Please don't come for me, guys. But you can see he's adding ladies to his bag, man, which is great. And right here, if you guys saw my previous videos, Bin Sonning right here, he's talking with CZ on Twitter, right? He's talking with CZ on Twitter. Not sure what he said, but they're probably talking about the Twitter update and how it's changed to X, right? And you know from my previous videos that Bin Sonning is a ladies holder. He holds Milady meme coin. So for him to be interacting with CZ, do they know each other personally? I don't know if they know each other personally, or CZ is just replying to him. But that is pretty nice, man. You never know if Bin Sonning might be tweeting to CZ. They talk, they might DM each other. He like, yo, check out ladies. Could you list ladies to Binance? And again, it's an original meme. It is not a ripoff of another meme. It's not like something that's not unique. Milady meme coin is a unique meme, which is great. You love that. It's not another dog token either. There's so many dog tokens. That's why I say Milady's has something special about it, because it's unique. It's an original meme. It ties in with the NFTs. And if you're scrolling crypto Twitter like I am, if you're on crypto X like I am, you'll see a ton of people with Milady meme coin NFT profile pictures, right? Milady NFT profile pictures, which is only great for the Milady meme coin, right? As the Milady meme coin, as Milady NFT gets more attention, I think the Milady meme coin will also get attention, guys. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't get shaken out. I think we're gonna get bullish very soon. just you know, DCA, hold if you have conviction on your projects. If you have conviction on Milady, hold, right? Don't get shaken out. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Blow up this video up, guys. Let's get ladies all over the place. Spread the awareness. Blow it up, guys. Get it to 10,000 views. Go support the previous Milady meme coin videos, and I'll catch you in the next one.